You ready, Puma? What do you think of the salsa? Oh, jeez. What's going on, my long-winged bald ducks? And right now, we are on a mission to go make roasted homemade salsa down here in Baja, Mexico. I was at a wedding last night, and I'm gonna be honest, there was an open bar. And today I'm feeling the open bar. And right now, nothing sounds better than fresh-made roasted salsa and kicking back in my lazy boy. So let's get to the grocery store, let's get some ingredients, let's make this salsa. This is the main road on the way to the grocery store. It's just on the beach, really nice. On the way to get groceries, I picked up a little michelada, Mezcala Sol Clamado El Original. It only has like 2.5% alcohol, but it's a good little, basically Bloody Mary michelada. And then I also picked up some tamales here. Let's give these a try. You gave me a little salsa too, so we'll try that out. Let's give this a little taste. A little salty for my taste. Overwhelmingly amount of salt. The meat itself inside, some sort of carne, really good. The meat, 7.2. But the masa, damn, just so much salt. Let's try this kind of michelada-ish drink. This I'd grab once in a while, so like maybe a low 7, a 7.1. Damn, the salsa that came with it in this bag, it's like a juice, like a fish oil sauce. It reminds me of Asian crack sauce. This little dude came up. How you doing, bud? Good pop. Good pop. All right, we need a little garlic. Let's grab this massive clove. I kind of want some of these. These will be good. All right, we got the tomato and garlic. I have onion and hot peppers at home. I'm pretty sure that's all I need. Yeah, that's all I need. It's super nice out, so I think I'm gonna grab another beer and go for a swim. Oh, let's try not to get this beer full of salt water. All right, cheers, guys. I was just talking to a buddy and he said a baby whale that was still alive washed up on shore, and that they killed it, but it was bleeding and full of chunks of missing meat that were all in the water. The hammerhead shark came in and somebody caught it on shore, so not close to that, maybe half mile, but still a cool story. Cheers. Hope you guys are having a good day. I know I am. Back at the Casa de Clown. That's what her house is called. Well, when in Rome, got some Costco tequila here. It's actually pretty good stuff. It's less than like 20 bucks for a whole bottle of this. And I think it's better than Don Julio Blanco, which is pretty decent stuff. Cheers. What is the plan, you might ask? And I don't really know. That's why I took a shot. But I have tomatoes. I have garlic. I have half of an onion. And then I have canned chilies, chipotles, adobodas. Boom, right there. I don't know if this is gonna ruin it or what. We're really rolling the dice on that one. I took a taste of it. It's nice and chipotle-y. It's got some heat to it, so I don't want to overdo it. So we'll be careful of that. But I'm gonna take all these veggies. I'm gonna throw them in the super hot wok that is extremely dirty, but I think it adds seasoning. We're gonna roast everything up. I'm gonna leave the skin on the garlic, and then we'll pop the garlic out at the end. We're gonna put it into this blender with a little bit of water. I don't have any chicken stock or anything like that. I think that would add some extra flavor. Maybe some salt, pepper, whatever. We're gonna wing it, and then we'll taste it a little bit and fine tune it. Let's get into it. Oil in a very hot wok. All of the tomatoes. Whew. And the onion. So we're just gonna let that go for a little bit. We're gonna look for the blackening on the tomatoes, the blackening on the onion. And boom, right here. I'm just gonna put, maybe it's a little high right there. I got my little helper right here. This is Pooba. If you guys don't know Pooba yet from the last episode, she's 7 weeks old. She's up for adoption right now. She's an awesome little pup. She's fully potty trained. She's good on the ATV. She's good at hitchhiking. I took her hitchhiking the other day for the first time. We can fly her up. We can get her to you. If you want her, leave a comment in the descriptions and we'll figure it out. But pretty awesome pup. She's good with cats. She's good with her other dog. She's good with people. She's very confident and smart. She follows us around off leash already. And she loves beer. So, if you want Puma, leave a comment below. Look at that coloring right there. Baby, this is gonna be delicious. Right, buddy? Right, buddy? I turned the heat down a little bit, but I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. I should be adding fresh cracked pepper. And I'm gonna add a little salt. Not too much. Nice little toss. Mix it up. All right, y'all, here we are. Final product. It's looking pretty good. It smells pretty good. It smells Chipotle, which is the goal. Got the bowl here. Let's do a nice little pour. Ooh, yep, thick. Just how I like it. And luckily, KB just got home, so she's gonna help us rate this. This is what I mean by perfect cover. I can already tell this is a nice thick salsa. It's not dry by any means, but it's also not soupy where you're dripping salsa off the chip. It's too chunky like pico de gallo on a chip where you get one onion after scooping onions and tomatoes and whatever else you've got in your pico. Look at this coverage. Dip in, pull out, no drip. Okay. A perfect chip for you right here.
Good time. It's warm. Got a little kick, but not too much. Oh, another. I'd give that 8.7.
I was going 9.1. I just really don't know what else I'd really want from a salsa. But 8.7, 9.1, that's pretty good. I'm a tough critic. I wouldn't just be like, if I don't like my food, I'll say I don't like my food. But this is a damn good salsa. I want to say thank you for you guys watching today. Today was a successful day. We made roasted salsa. It was good. There was a little bit of risk in there. I did use that canned pepper, which I was very unsure of, but I'll probably use it again. That was really easy, and it was really good. Had some beers on the beach. We saw the pup. Puma's pretty awesome. If you want to adopt her, leave a comment down below. You should adopt her. It would give her an awesome life. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be happy, be healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.
Is that really good? You're funny.
You ready, Puma? What do you think of the salsa? Oh, jeez. Pretty good, eh?